Fred Thompson, the former senator from Tennessee, he had his little YouTube video that he released. Didn't necessarily promote himself on that video, but he attacked specifically you, and he attacked Mitt Romney as well. But listen to what he said about you.
Others have suggested a surcharge on the income tax. That's acceptable. I'm fine with that. Others have suggested perhaps a sales tax. That's fine.
Now, he put your clips, what you had said earlier, out on his video to show that you flip-flopped on these issues.
Well, it wasn't a flip-flop. First of all, if you notice, that was about 110 pounds ago, and so I could use the excuse that I was in a state of sugar stupor and was talking out of my head. But the reality is that was a statement about a minute's worth taken out of context of a speech in which I was basically giving a put-up or shut-up speech to the legislature, who had been saying, we've got a $200 million deficit, and we don't like any proposal the governor has to fix it. So I said, okay, you don't like my proposals? Here's one of yours. I'll take it. Here's one of yours. I'll take it. Here's one of... What I was saying to them was, if you don't like my proposals, give me yours, but let's fix this deficit. And we did, Wolf. You know what we did? In 11 years as governor, income tax stayed the same. Sales tax went up a penny. More importantly, I cut 94 taxes, a lot of those income taxes. You took
the pledge last night. You said you promised the president you wouldn't increase any taxes. Is that right?
That's correct.
But what about if there's a national security? Some of the other candidates said they'll make that promise, but if there's a national security, a war, and they've got no other alternative to raise the funds needed to support the troops to fight that war, they might have to increase taxes.
Well,
is that a fair exemption?
It is a fair exemption that even Grover Norquist, who delivers the pledge, would be the first to acknowledge. But there's no reason to raise taxes at the federal level. It's not at the federal level that our taxes are too low. Our spending is out of control.